Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is sticky sweet chili pork. Hope you enjoy it. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, the first thing we do is add the pork to a pot of boiling water, bring back to the simmer and allow it to simmer for 15 minutes. Then remove from the water and cut it into suitably bite-sized pieces. Just narrating this video, are you sure you dished the pork up fair and square last night? Because there's an awful lot in this pot and I didn't have much on my plate. Okay, just asking. Then when you're ready to complete the dish, heat the oil in a heavy base frying pan, add the pork and fry off for 5 or 6 minutes until it starts to take on some colour. When this is done, it's time to add the ginger, garlic and onions to the pot and mix through. Next we add in the pepper, the sesame oil, the sweet chili sauce, the soy sauce and the Chinese cooking wine and mix in well. Then when this is done, add 1 cup of water, put a lid on the pan, cook on a low heat for 20 minutes. When this time is up, simply remove the lid from the pan and continue to cook until the pork becomes sticky and unctuous. When the pork reaches this stage, it's ready to serve. And watch out your wife dishes it up fair, because I counted 36 pieces in the pan and I only had 10 on my plate, whatever she says. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe in these troubled times and hopefully we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.